Hey there, we got a 1987 R10, Chevrolet R10. This is the last year for square body and probably the best year for square body. It's a fuel injected R10, it's a 350 TDI fuel injected. I found this truck locally, one owner truck, bought new here in Augusta, Georgia. Milton Ruben Chevrolet. The truck department, there's the original tag, truck tag the dealer put on there for advertising. The truck has 79,000 original miles. I have the original paperwork, bill of sale, warranty card, all that kind of good stuff. The truck is very, very nice. Probably the nicest square body I've had. Inside and out, I think the color was called Midnight Blue. It's dark blue, and the inside was called Hawaiian Blue, Hawaii, whatever. But it's real nice. Inside, the original seat belt, door panels, original dash. It does have a couple of cracks in the dash. It's got one right there. It's got another one right there by the speaker. But it's nice. Real nice truck. The dash is not brittle. It's very pliable. I would not replace that dash, so I didn't replace it because I did replace a whole lot of stuff. You can call me if you're interested in the truck, 706-831-1899. Ice cold air conditioning, brand new air conditioner, condenser, all lines, fittings. Everything's brand new on the air conditioner. When I say brand new, we did it. It's just a few miles on the truck now. I've been driving it probably 500 miles. This is the original AM/FM cassette player. Still works. I don't know about the cassette part of it because I don't have any cassettes. In the glove box is the original spit tag, whatever they call it, with all the options. I've decoded them all but two. There's two I can't find. And yeah, this is a real nice Silverado tilt cruise. It's got deluxe interior, power windows and locks, factory sliding rear window. All the lights work. Lights up real pretty at night. This truck does with the running lights and everything. Like I said, I did put the new carpet in it. It's nice. Up under the dash, hadn't been gutted, ripped out, nothing. About as good an old truck as you're going to find, I believe. Runs great. I put these wheels and tires, they're 15x8s. American Racing Torque Thrust 2. Brand new Cooper radial GTs on it. These are 255 70R15s. The underside of this truck has been restored, got brand new exhaust system on it. Let's see if you can see under here. Here's the new exhaust. As you can see, the bottom of this truck has never really seen any dirt. A little surface rust right there. That's it. The whole truck. The paint's weak on the bottom, the white part. It's got all new body side molding on it, all the way around. But I've been driving the truck around. You can drive it anywhere you want to go. The bed in the truck is very nice. It had a camper shell on it when I bought the truck. Took the camper shell off. Wasn't in good shape. It was old. It also had a bed mat, which I still have sitting over there in the garage. I'm going to put back in here. I took it out to show how nice this bed is. I don't think the guy ever really hauled anything inside of this bed. It's got trailer towing, hitch on it. This truck has heavy duty brakes, heavy duty suspension, front and rear. I think it's called the J80 brakes. It was a very nice package. It had, I don't know, it was a lot of options. I think it had all the options you could possibly get on this thing. And yeah, I didn't want to drop it and lower it like some of them are doing. It's too nice a truck for that. It's just real nice. I'll show you under the hood now. Of course, it's got the inside hood release right here. This truck rides and drives great down the road. These wheels and tires are road force balanced. I took them back. I put them on, took them back because I didn't feel like they were right. They road forced them again. This truck rides and drives as smooth as a brand new truck. That I promise you. It runs great. Did a lot of work on it. It's got a new radiator in it. All new belts, hoses, lines, fittings. Everything basically under the hood. All of your wear items have been replaced. There's a new air conditioning compressor. It's got a brand new water pump down there. This radiator is a brand new copper radiator. It's not an aluminum. It's a correct bolt-up radiator. Brakes have all been gone through. Still got the factory paint on the firewall. There's the factory jack, sticker instructions there. Windshield wiper and squirter works. This is the factory tag here. As you can see, it's a ZKZ, which was a 5-liter EFI motor that came in this truck. I did have to replace this intake hose here. That's the way it came with the throttle body truck. See a little condensation on that AC where I just turned it on. It cools off real quick. Just real nice truck. Like I said, I don't know how you could find a better 87 R10 truck anywhere. The paint is good. I buffed it out. Really 5 different processes. Put new body side molding. Buffed it a little hard on the white paint in places. As you can see, I buffed the paint off basically. It was weak, but it's not dry now. The paint is not dry. I have actually buffed it out real good. It's got a good coat of sealer and clear and all that stuff on it. It's got the spare up under here. As you can see, a good spare. That's one of the ones. There's the bottom of the truck. There's your good view of what the bottom of this truck looks like. Yeah, I don't know how you find a truck any better than this one. I mean, I'm sure they're out there, but as you can see, the frame and all the parts I've treated and painted just because they look old. But truck sounds good, truck runs good, truck drives good, truck handles good. Doesn't need anything that I know of. It is a long bed. It's an 8-foot bed, as opposed to a 6.5-foot short bed. So the bed is 18 inches longer basically than a short bed. But I know they don't bring as much. Everybody says, well, it's a long bed. Hey, some people love a long bed. I do. They ride better. Everybody knows that. Longer wheelbase trucks ride better. So if you're in for a good ride, a good truck, good dependable truck, drive it every day, drive it to shows. It's a good one. Give me a call if you're interested in it. 706-831-1899. Southern Hot Rods. I'm Wendell. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get to see all my new inventory as I put it on. I usually don't talk in videos, but figured I'd try one with some voice on here. Uh-oh, there comes a little puppy outside. Don't pee on my tire. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.